In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the B-pillar molding on the outside of the driver's side door of this Dodge Grand Caravan. The procedure on the passenger side is going to be exactly the same. Let's get started. With the door open, you'll see two T20 screws. We're going to have to remove the top one. The bottom one is for something else. So put your socket and ratchet on it and remove it. There it is. Now you can take this piece and unstick it from the door. It has an adhesive strip that goes all along the side here, but then it also needs to slide upwards. There we go. Slide it upwards, and there it is. Now you're going to want to clean this area, especially right along here, because there is an adhesive strip that will have to be re-secured onto the door. There's a little bit left here of the old adhesive, so I'm going to clean all of this off with a rag. Now, don't use any harsh chemicals because this is your vehicle's paint still, even though you can't see it. You don't want to damage it to create corrosion underneath. I have a plastic razor blade, which is actually meant for this purpose. If you don't, just use anything that will not damage the paint to remove any old adhesive that you have left here. Now take your piece. Don't remove the adhesive protector on the back side. You need it to be covered so that we can actually push it in and slide it down to hook it onto these two hooks here. Nope, I got this one hooked in, but not the top one. So unfortunately I have to pull it back up and try again. You're gonna have to put inward pressure while pressing down. I got it. All right. Now pull it all the way down. There we go. And once it's all the way down, you can peel away the adhesive and stick it on. This one, you can reach in from the bottom, peel it away. Now open the door and let's secure it with the screw. Make sure this is pressed up against the door. Put the screw in. This is going to have to cut its own threads into the plastic, so keep pressure on it and thread it in all the way. As it gets snug, it should pull this piece close to the door. Give it about 1/8 of a turn after it gets snug, 1/4 at most, because it's very small and it will strip out that hole, and if it does, you have nothing to clamp it with, so you'll need a new piece. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.